Components of DL410 are listed below. Unit body, drying chamber, lower chamber, other components. Start the installation. Come to the rear of the unit body. Connect tube A, B, and C successively. Connect nozzle A. Connect nozzle B. Connect the other end of nozzle A and B to port A and B of the nozzle respectively. Install the nozzle into the head. Connect compressed air hose. Tight the hoop. Connect the other end to the air compressor outlet and tight the hoop. Power on the air compressor. Open the compressed air valve. Adjust the pressure value to about 0.3 megapascals. Connect power supply. Press the bottom on the right side of the unit to power on. Press the bottom in the front of the unit to power on. The unit is powered on. Click Setting on the screen. Click Head on the screen. Hold the head with both hands and rotate clockwise by 90 degrees. Place the silicone sealing strip evenly on the seat. Place the drying chamber on the silicone sealing strip. Make sure it is centered on the seat. As the drying chamber is heavy, 2 or more people are required to perform this step. To avoid damage to the drying chamber, ensure that it is fully placed on the silicone sealing strip. Fix the drying chamber on the unit body with fixed belts and hexagon bolts. Click Head on the screen after the drying chamber is installed. Rotate the head counterclockwise by hand to bring it back directly above the drying chamber. If the head cover is not fully fitted to the drying chamber, click Head on the screen. Manually adjust the angle between the head cover and the drying chamber, and then click Head to make it completely fit. Install lower chamber. There are springs on the casters, which need to be pressed down to allow them to enter under the seat. To prevent the sealing strip from being damaged, it is recommended that 2 persons perform this step. Ensure that the sealing strip of the lower chamber is in contact with the glass flange of the drying chamber. Assemble suction hose. Assemble elbow pipe. Install the elbow pipe in the cyclone. Connect the suction hose. Install product collecting container. Install outlet temperature sensor. Install anti-static brush. Connect PVC connecting hose. Connect exhaust hose. Connect the other end of the exhaust hose to outdoor or negative pressure environment. Install the liquid sending tube on the liquid delivery pump. One end is connected to the connecting nipple liquid of the nozzle. The other end is put into the sample cup. Run the equipment. Click blower on the screen. Adjust drying airflow. Adjust the inlet temperature only. Don't adjust the outlet temperature. Click heater on the screen. The control panel shows. Start spraying after the temperature is stable. Click pump FWP on the screen. Adjust liquid volume. Adjust spray pressure to 0.1 megapascals. At this point, we can see that the equipment has begun to spray. After the sample is exhausted, click Pump FWD to stop pumping fluid. If there is residual sample in the pipeline, click Pump Rev to return the sample. Click Heater to stop heating. Close the sending pressure. Close the liquid sending. The inlet temperature drops below 60 degrees Celsius. The outlet temperature drops below 50 degrees Celsius. Click blower to turn off the blower.